Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the new Infinix Note 10 Pro. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Infinix which is costing around 30,000 PKR Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range, on the front we get a 6.95 inch Full HD IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and also on the back we get a plastic on this phone as you can see. And guys, we have a 5000 mAh battery size on this phone. On the back we have a quad cameras as you can see. We have a 64 megapixel main camera on this phone. On the bottom we have a USB Type-C port as you can see. We also have headphone jack on this phone. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100% right now. And the battery percentage on my Infinix Note 10 Pro is very low, and the battery percentage I think it is at 1%. So first let me show you the charger and the cable is that you are getting with the Infinix Note 10 Pro right out the box. So guys, here is the box of the Infinix Note 10 Pro, and guys you can see that and the phone it is on. Let me show you the battery percentage, and you can see, I hope you can see, and the battery percentage it is at 1%, and this phone it is automatically off, and you can see and the battery it is really low on this phone. So now let's quickly open this box. You can see here is the official box of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. And guys, and the first thing, and you can see we get the charger, and you can see, and guys we also get a cable, and this is a USB Type-C cable. So, and that's a really good thing as well. So now let's put all these things is to the side, and now let's look at the charger of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. And you can see here is the charger and the cable. Now let's remove this, and guys, here is the ampere rating on this adapter, and you can see, and the ampere rating on this adapter it is a 10 volt with a 3.3 ampere. And guys, and this is a 33 watt super fast charger. And also we get a USB Type-C cable, and you can see we get a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. Inside we have orange indicator. And guys, now let's insert the USB-A into the adapter like this. And guys, here is a switchboard, and the power source it is also on. So first, now let's insert the adapter like this. And guys also now let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy A52, and you can see again, and the battery percentage it is really low on this phone. And guys, one thing it is also really important is that and the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature right now. And the temperature in this room it is about 29 degrees Celsius. So again, if you're charging this phone in high temperature, and the result will be different. So guys, now let's insert the USB Type-C cable into the phone like this, and now let's on this as well. And guys, you can see that, and this phone is showing me that and the battery charging is start on this phone. So, and you can see the battery percentage on this phone it is at 0%. And also we have this supercharged logo on this phone, which means that we are indeed using the original adapter. So guys, now I will be back after 20 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the first 20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 20 minutes of battery charging. So now let's see the battery percentage on my Infinix Note 10 Pro. And guys, and the battery percentage it is at 30%. And guys, and this phone is charged 30% in 20 minutes of battery charging. Now let's quickly boot this phone up, and that's what we also do in our daily life. And guys, also it does not have any notification LED on the Infinix Note 10 Pro, which is available on the previous Infinix Note 8. And guys, you can see that, and my phone it is on, and guys, you can see that everything it is off on this phone, like the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth as well as the location it is off on this phone. And also we does not have any SIM card on the Infinix Note 10 Pro as you can see. And again, this phone also has a side mount fingerprint scanner, and you can see which works really good. As now I will be back after 40 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the next 20 minutes. So now I will see you at 40 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 40 minutes of battery charging. So now let's see the battery percentage on my Infinix Note 10 Pro, and the battery percentage it is at 61% as you can see. So this phone is charged 61% in 42 minutes of battery charging. So now I will be back after 1 hour at 60 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the total 60 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 1 hour 60 minutes. Now let's see the battery percentage on my Infinix Note 10 Pro, and the battery percentage it is at 84% as you can see that, and this phone is charged 84% in 60 minutes of battery charging. So guys, now I will be back after when my Infinix Note 10 Pro is hit 100% fully charged. 13 minutes left. So now I will see you when my Infinix Note 10 Pro is hit 100% fully charged. Okay guys, I'm back and my Infinix Note 10 Pro is hit 100% and you can see 100% fully charged in 1 hour and 23 minutes, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the battery charging speed of the Infinix Note 10 Pro, as you can see that, and this phone is performed really good in the battery charging because we have a 33 watt super fast charging on this phone, and also the battery size on this phone, it is also really big on this phone. We have 5000 mAh battery size, but again as you can see that, and this phone is charged 100% in 1 hour and 23 minutes. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.